Where's the juice? Juice. Where's the zebra? That's a zebra. Where's a giraffe? Giraffe. Where's a dinosaur? Dinosaur. Where's the ball? Ball. Where's the monkey? Good job. Where's the apple? Where's the apple? No, those are blueberries. Where's the apple? Juice. Good job. Where's the apple? There is an apple up there. Okay, where's the dinosaur? No, where's the dinosaur? Your page? All right. Where's the dolphin? Where's the dolphin? No, where's the dolphin? Good job. Where's the hippo? Hippo. Where's the lion? Lion. Where's the dolphin? Good job. Where's the other dolphin?